channel. On this channel, you'll learn different things related to English language. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and activate the notification bell. Without further ado, let's go to the video. In this video, you'll learn how to use Chatgpt to study English. Way number 1, writing practice. For writing practice, you can engage in chatting with Chatgpt, initiate conversations on various topics, asking questions and responding to its prompts. This helps you improving your fluency, vocabulary, and understanding of grammar in a conversational context. Way number 2, grammar correction. For grammar correction, ask Chatgpt to correct your English grammar, provided with sentences or paragraphs of reading. It can also help you identify grammatical errors and suggest you corrections. Pay attention to the corrections it provides to learn from your mistakes. Way number 3, vocabulary expansion. For vocabulary expansion, request Chatgpt to suggest synonyms or definitions for words you are unfamiliar with. You can also ask it to generate sentences using specific vocabulary words to see them in context. Regularly learning new words will enrich your vocabulary over time. Way number 4, reading comprehension. For reading comprehension, share excerpts from English tests or articles with Chatgpt and ask it to summarize the content or explain any difficult passages. This can help you improve your reading comprehension skills and expose you to different writing styles and topics. For those who stayed till the end of the video, I've just created a file with some additional tips on how to use Chatgpt to study English. Just click on the description box and get the access to it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like it, share it, and leave a comment down below. See you next time.